So, yes, I do meet the basic requirements. I'm 18 plus. I'm actually 24. Um, it went away. Hold on. And I have no violations. Did you hear me? No, I have never been a part of another faction or army. This would be my first time. If I get an order that I disagree with, I'll just try to talk to him about it. But I would obviously follow the order. Strengths, loyalty. I'm loyal. Not gonna leave no one behind. Treat us all as one. Probably be a little upset, but talk to the higher power and just tell them about it. You know what I'm saying? So we can get it resolved.
What's up?
How would I handle receiving criticism? Yeah, please.
What's up?
I would handle it. I think I would handle it good, obviously, only because I know what I did. So it's like if I know I did something wrong and that happens, it was all on me. So I can't be so mad, but at myself. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm willing and able to follow the chain of command at all times. Loyalty. I get on every day. I mornings, evenings, just the only reason I wasn't on as much because I was in a gang at first, but no one would be on, so that's why I left the gang. And I'm like, and I wouldn't get on because it's boring being on by yourself. But as long as I got y'all on there with me, I'll be on pretty active every day. Yes, I'm prepared to attend training, operation, and events on time whenever y'all are ready. Call me. I want to join the Lynwood Army because I like how y'all function and how y'all work together. I met a few people who was in y'all army, and I like how they was moving. Loyalty means taking care of each other, being loyal, not going behind their back and doing weird shit, and just working together. Yes, I understand. Yeah, I'll be active pretty much.